that one tooth was a little too long, and these teeth are a little too short. You're going to hear it get out of beat a little bit. So I'm going to pull that escape wheel out, which at some point somebody had replaced. I'm going to check the shaft for straightness, and then I'm going to put it on the lathe most likely and shave off a little bit off the tips of the teeth just to make sure they're all exactly the same. And I think that ought to do it now that I've adjusted the back of the pallet or the anchor and adjusted this angle for that pallet.